Good morning, children. Today we are going to see your maths book, Mathematics in Real Life exercises, maths book exercises, lesson 6, numbers 11 to 20, page number 52. Okay. Shyam collects some sticks from the garden. He wants to count them, but he knows numbers up to 10 only. Punit helps him to count the sticks. First he counts 10 sticks and make a bundle of them. See how. This concept we have already seen, isn't it? We have already knew about it. One child has collected 10 sticks and make a single bundle. So this single bundle has 10 sticks. It means that 10 ones, or we can also say 1 10. If we add 1 1 with 1 10, what will happen? This is 1 10 and I am adding one stick with this 1 10. So 1 10 and 1 1. 10 plus 1 is 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. One more time, because here main we have to learn the spellings only. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. Okay. Next, 110 plus 2 ones. 110 plus 2. 10 plus 2 is 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. Okay. Next, 110 plus 3 ones. 110 and 3 ones. 10 plus 3 is 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. So in this box you have to write 13. This way you have to complete all the numbers. You have to fill all the boxes. Can you? 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Here what will come here? What will be added with 110 to make 15? So 110 and dash ones is equal to 15. Now tell me what we have to add here to make it 15. We have to add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Either you can count or otherwise also you yourself can do it. 110 and 5 ones. 110 and 5 ones makes 15. So 15. 110 and 6 ones make 16. 110 and 7 ones make 17. This way you complete this box, these boxes and these boxes also. Clear? 110 and 10 ones is equal to 2 tens, that is 20. ये भी मैंने कल आपको बताया. 110 plus 10 ones. 110 plus 10 ones. These are 10 ones. 110 plus 10 ones are equal to 2 tens, that is 20. So 10 plus 10 is 20. And the spellings of these number words, number names, you have to learn them thoroughly. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. You have to learn these spellings clearly. Okay. Next come to page number 53. Count the objects and match with the number. Okay. One has already done for you. So you can do the rest. You have to count the objects and match the numbers. Okay. Clear? Second, complete the table. 110 and 7 ones. Now tell me, 110, you can write it 10 tens ones also. Then it will be very easy. 110. So 10 के नीचे हमने 1 लिखा है. 110 and 7 ones. Ones के नीचे 7 ones. It is 17. Now 1 tens ones देखो. 1 10 and 9 ones. 1 10 and 9 ones. 1 10 and 9 ones are 19. So you can complete this table yourself. 1 10 and 4 ones. If you want, you can write 10 ones, then it will be very easy. 1 10 and 4 ones. So this way, here 15 का spelling लिखना है. Can you do this exercise yourself? Yes, good. Next exercise है हमारे. This we have already done it up to 100. So you can do it yourself. Use greater than or less than. You can do it yourself. Circle the largest number. Circle the smallest number. So we have already done this ना बेटा. ये आपको आराम से आता है ना, आप कर दोगे ना? No need to explain this. Okay. Next page number 55. Arrange in ascending order and descending order. ये भी आपको पता है. If you have any doubt, you can watch the video which I have made it on these topics. Comparison of numbers के ऊपर भी एक वीडियो है. Ascending and descending order के ऊपर भी वीडियो है. आप उसे देख के क्लियर कर लेना अपनी पॉइंट्स. वैसे भी कोई डाउट होना नहीं चाहिए. नेक्स्ट इज बिफोर आफ्टर बिटवीन. इसके ऊपर भी मैंने वीडियो बनाया. अगर कोई डाउट है तो आप देख सकते हैं. राइट द नंबर दैट कम्स जस्ट बिफोर. ये बिफोर नंबर्स हैं, ये सारे बिफोर नंबर्स हैं, ये सारे बिटवीन नंबर्स हैं एंड दीज आर द नंबर्स दैट कम्स आफ्टर. सो बिफोर, बिटवीन एंड आफ्टर, ये भी आप खुद कर सकते हैं. लास्ट ओरल ये करवा देती हूँ मैं आपको. ये भी वैसे कोई डिफ़िकल्ट नहीं है. व्हाट कम्स जस्ट बिफोर. बिफोर इट इज़ 14. 15 के बिफोर 14. After 19, what will come after 19? It is 20. So which is the largest one digit number? बेटा वन डिजिट नंबर और डिजिट्स मैंने आपको पहले सिखा रखा है, तो डिजिट्स आपको ऑलरेडी पता है. तो what is the largest one digit number? It is 9. 9 के बाद 10 आ जाता है. 10 is a 2 digit number. So 9 is the single digit number which is the largest one digit number. And smallest 2 digit number. Smallest 2 digit number is what? 10. So ये 2 digit number है और सबसे smallest है. And the largest 2 digit number is 99. वो भी याद रखना. ठीक है? Right. क्यों 99 है? फिर उसके बाद 100 comes and 100 is a 3 digit number. All this you will learn it in class 2. So fill in the missing numbers. Largest number, greater than and less than, true or false, arrange in ascending order, arrange in descending order. All this you have to do it yourself. But remember one thing, you have to do one page in one day. Like today is 29, so you can do this work on 29/9, and this page you can do it on 39. Next, this page 110, 1st October, and this page is 210. If 210 is a holiday, then you can do it on 310. No, you can do it on 2 October only. This page is on 3 October and this page is on 4 October. So do one single page on one day. It means that आपको सारे पेजेस एक ही बार में नहीं करना है, एक ही बार करके कंप्लीट नहीं करना है, एक दिन में एक पेज करना है. ओके, क्लियर चिल्ड्रन? सो कंप्लीट पेजेस टिल 57. And this is your book exercise, or book exercises are only for practice. So do not send this work for checking. Okay, clear? इसमें मेन आपको नंबर नेम्स ही है. नंबर नेम्स अच्छे से लर्न भी कर लेना साथ साथ. व्हेन यू आर राइटिंग द नंबर नेम्स, यू हैव टू स्पीक आउट द नंबर नेम्स. जोर जोर से बोलना है और साथ साथ मेमोराइज भी करना है. ओके, ओके चिल्ड्रन. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Thank you.